How to track your orders on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Temu application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile or the use section at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here as you tap on the your order section, so just tap on it and you'll be able to see all your orders. Now if you don't get to see your orders over here you can see the option of self-service to find order. So you can see this category, so just tap on it, and when you tap on it you can see in order to locate your order you can enter your phone number. So you can just track your orders via your phone number, or there are other ways as well like your email address, your order ID or your payment information. You can select any which way. I'm going to tap on email address, and here all you need to do is just enter your email address to find your order. So when you enter your email address you just have to tap on find order, and that's how you'll be able to track your orders on Temu. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.